Do you know many people are having trouble with understanding the L button on their Cadillac Escalade? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check drive mode. Make sure your vehicle is in drive mode to start using the L button. Step 2. Activate manual mode. Press the L button on the steering wheel to activate manual mode. Step 3. Control gears. Use the left control to shift down and the right control to shift up. Step 4. Display gear range. Check the dashboard to see the selected gear range displayed next to L. Step 5. Exit manual mode. Press L again or shift back to exit manual mode and return to drive. After following these steps, you should be able to effectively use the L button on your Cadillac Escalade. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cadillac users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.